Welcome to the demo on offer management within the recruitment module of HRIS. In this demo, we'll cover the details of how to create an offer proposal, how to get it approved, how to generate an offer letter and release it to the candidate, how to ensure an offer letter acceptance by the candidate with appropriate supportings, or an offer letter rejection if that is the case, and finally transfer of the candidate data to HRIS for onboarding. As a recruiter, to create the offer proposal, go to the recruitment menu. From here, go to the offers page. Here you would see all the candidates for whom the offer has to be submitted or is in process. Filter on interview state. As you can see, the other statuses are offer letter has been generated, offer has been approved, or offer is pending with hiring manager for approval. So let us filter on interviewed. So there are these two candidates who have been interviewed. Now they're waiting for the offer letter. Click on edit. This is the offer proposal page. On the first tab, you have offer details, where you need to provide some of the missing details like office location, designation, reporting manager. This will be the person to whom this candidate will report when they become an employee. Expected date of joining. This has to be in future. Some of the optional fields which you might add to the offer proposal. Cost to complete. This is an important field. The current salary, if it was available in the candidate record, will be visible here. You can also add a joining bonus payout. So let's say you are promised a bonus of 30,000 rupees to be given 3 months after joining. You can model it like this. You can also add a joining bonus recovery. Both of these are only available to companies where payroll is activated and it is for an Indian company if the employee works for less than 12 months. You can also check the assessment history of the candidate, the background verification. You can also check the candidate record details. So the email ID is important because the offer will go to this email ID. Also ensure that the address is updated correctly because the address will be printed on the offer letter. If you have any remarks, you can add them here. With these details updated, you can submit the offer for processing. You get a warning since the CTC is more than the range in the job opening, but you can continue. The offer has now been processed, and as you can see, it is pending with the hiring manager. Offers can be sent for approval to any of the senior roles in the company, like CEO, head of HR, department head, hiring manager. When you get an offer request for approval, you will see the notification on the alert dashboard. You'll also see it on the pending task list. Job offer approval on the top, you can see. Click on the task list, or you can go to the recruitment offers page. You can just edit the offer which is pending for approval. You can review the details. You cannot change the proposed CTC, nor can you change the joining bonus details, but other details you can change. You can put your comments and click on approval. The offer is now approved and it will be pending for release with the recruitment team. To generate the offer letter and release it to the candidate as a recruiter or as a recruitment manager, go to the offers page. You can filter on offer approved status to see the offers which are pending for letter generation. As you can see here, click on generate offer letter. And the other option is to reset the offer. If you click on this, the offer proposal will be reset and you can then resubmit a new offer proposal for the same candidate. You will be shown a new tab called offer letter. Here you can create the offer letter. If you do not want to use a system generated offer letter, you can use the no option and upload a PDF file which will be your offer letter. But we recommend that you generate an offer letter directly from the system. If you want to show a detailed salary structure, click on yes here. Within the salary structure, if you have components like Provident Fund and ESI, you can select those parameters appropriately. You also will need to select a salary template. This is an important step because the salary structure is defined now based on a template. The total CTC will remain as what was approved in the offer proposal. Click on generate salary structure. Based on the template and the CTC, the system will give you a breakup of the salary. As you can see, the total CTC is 6,90,000 rupees. Now, if you want to change some of these heads, as you would have discussed them with the candidate, you can appropriately change them. So we'll remove the medical expense reimbursement and we'll add a sales incentive. Variable means that it will depend upon the performance. As you can see, sales incentive head has been added and the amount has been reduced from the special pay. You now will need to select the offer letter template. Our offer letter template is designed and available to you. You can have different templates based on the different wordings you would like to have in the offer letter, and then click on generate offer letter. You can download the offer letter which has been generated by clicking on download offer letter button. And you can check the offer letter text by opening the downloaded offer letter. As you can see, a scanned signature is available and the salary structure is available in the annexure. Once the offer letter is generated, you can close the page. Now let us look at letter generated status. So we've generated this offer letter right now. We'll now email this letter to the candidate. If you do not want to use the email option, you can skip it. We'll just go ahead and email the letter. Email with offer letter sent. The next step in offer management is acceptance of offer letter by the candidate. The candidate would receive the offer in email as shown below. The email as shown below clearly mentions the job details, expected date of joining, and the offer letter attached to the email. Candidate can accept or reject the offer directly from the email by clicking on accept or do not accept buttons. If you click on accept, you will be navigated to the next page where you can modify the date of joining if you do not want to join on the accepted date as mentioned in the offer letter. In some cases, you will also need to upload the signed copy of the offer letter as acceptance. And then you need to click on yes, I accept the offer. Here also you have the option to reject the offer. If you click on that, you will be asked to give a reason for rejection and then you can confirm the rejection. After uploading the signed copy of the offer letter, the candidate needs to click on yes, I accept the offer. A confirmation message will be sent to the candidate. In the final step of the offer management process, as a recruiter, if you look at the dashboard, you will see that the candidate's name has moved to accepted column. Click on this hyperlink to be navigated to the assessment page. Here you can download the signed copy of the offer letter uploaded by the candidate and you can transfer this record to HRIS. If for some reason you do not want to transfer this record to HRIS, you can click on close record button also. You need to make sure that the mobile number is accurate and you need to also assign a license type if you have both non-web and web license active. Otherwise, by default, the system will take up web license. Here again, you have a chance to modify the date of joining. Click on submit and the data is submitted and the record is transferred to HRIS. If you look at the record here, it will move to transfer to HRIS column. Thanks for watching that.